Import LDtk levels. Time to import our LDtk levels into Unity. Split levels. Before we import our levels, we'll open them in LDtk and set an option to split our levels into separate files. Open your project in LDtk. Press the P key for project settings. Under Extra Files, check Save Levels to Separate Files. Press Ctrl or Command and S to save your project. Close the project. Importing LDtk levels. Before continuing, make sure that LDtk is closed entirely. Copy the LDtk file and its assets into assets/scenes/LDtk. Also note, this means that your project files have now moved. So if you want to edit them later, you'll have to open them from the new location. If Unity added a square to your project, you can delete it. Click the LDtk file in the project window. Click the Install button in the Inspector window. Drag the first level, level_0, into the scene. The tiles don't show. If you don't see separate levels, double-check the settings in your LDtk file and make sure to save again. If an error shows up, you may have to press the Fix button to automatically add the command to your LDtk file. This option usually fails if LDtk is still open. Open the LDtk project and save it to invoke the new command. macOS installation issues. When saving the LDtk file, I ran into issues. The export script is not executable using absolute paths and does not support paths with spaces. I'll try to send out a pull request upstream to fix this. In the interim, you can use these steps to fix or troubleshoot issues. Open your Unity project folder in Terminal, then cd into library/LDtk tileset exporter. Make the shell script executable by typing chmod u+x export tileset definition mac.sh. Then edit the script using your favorite text editor. I'm using NeoVim here, but if you want, you can also open the file and text edit by typing open -a text edit export tileset definition mac.sh. Let's make this path relative by chopping off the beginning and adding .. until we reach /library. Then add quotes around both arguments. The end result should look like this. Open quote .. /library/LDtk tileset exporter /export tileset definition.exe close quote space open quote $1 close quote. Save the changes to this script, then save the project in LDtk. Level 0 is blank? Our level is totally blank? What's going on here? In order for our tile sets to show properly, we have to double check our import settings in Unity and make sure that the file format is properly set to RGBA 32-bit. Fix broken tiles in Unity. Our tiles don't look so pretty. Let's fix that. In your project window, find your terrain 32x32 file and set up the sprite sheet. Set sprite mode to multiple. Set pixels per unit to 32. Set filter mode to point, no filter. Set format to RGBA 32-bit. Click Apply. Click Sprite Editor. Click Slice, Grid by Cell Size. Set pixel size to 32x32. Click Slice. Close the window and save. Repeat this step for all other textures. Moving the LDtk file can also screw up the file paths to its tileset images. If, in your case, the tiles still aren't showing, try opening the level file in LDtk from its new location in your Unity project folder. Then fix any errors about missing images by following the prompts on screen, then saving your LDtk file. Missing Final Boss Blues icons. As I was filming, I realized that importing these tile sets into our project may cause some issues with licensing, since this is a paid icon set. So if the importer gives you issues about missing internal underscore icons, you have a few choices. 1. Delete the tile set from your LDtk project entirely. 2. Pay the man, as they say, and buy the icon set. 3. Leave it alone. We can safely ignore these errors and warnings, but the icons won't render in Unity. This may not be a problem necessarily. If you want to use these icons in your project, you're certainly welcome to. But please visit the page on itch.io and purchase the rights at finalbossblues.itch.io/icons. I actually did buy these icons because right now they're on sale for $3. LDtk to Unity includes another sneaky option to grab the icon pack directly from the LDtk source code. Keep in mind, this still does not give you the licensing rights to redistribute the icon pack. You can also substitute the image with a blank image of your own that is 512 pixels wide by 1024 pixels high.